Guys, we are here in Bohol. Almost 2,000 na rider na join dito sa ride natin. Solid na solid yung ride ito. Wala masabi. Good morning guys, we are here in Bohol. As you can see, so many of them here. And syempre, makimoto lang sa Kalam for the Bohol loop. Yan o, yan o. Oh, pogi o, pogi o. Ito mga idols natin. Jetlao is here. Yan. Inang Motol at mga malupit na mga riders natin dito. Yan. Ready na kami from the hotel going to the event place. Sir, morning.
Tapos,
Tiger, morning. Good morning, Tiger. Ito,
enjoy.
How many loops we done already? 5, 6?
I think almost 7 or 6.
Oh, 7 or 6. So this year we have so many other loops also coming, right?
Apat pa.
Apat pa. So hintayin nyo na lang guys. We will be posting the loop. And the 2,000 riders, we are riding all Bohol 2 days.
Yes, lahat ng destination ng tourists.
Proper spot we will be passed by, diba? Yan, Trunks is here guys. Yan. Indian motorcycle. Ready na sila. Siyempre, the Unity ride natin kasama si Boss Toti and Ma'am Joy. Marami sila dito. Oh, ayan na, si Senator Jewy is here. Yan. And here is Jerwin and his son. Yan na, kasama natin na idol natin. Marami sila dito. So, dito si our idol, Jetlao is here. Bro, ready na. Ayan na.
5:30 ng umaga. So, anytime, pwede tayo.
Auto left lang sa Kalam. Ito.
Abdul, was masero.
Sen, good morning, Sen.
Oh, good morning.
Aga mo kayo, Sen, ha?
Aga.
Once again, this event is not a race. We will start releasing you in 5 minutes. Loopers, kung narinig nyo po from Tagbilaran to Anta, you will be escorted.
Ano, marami yan guys. Almost 2,000 na rider na join dito sa ride natin. So, let's gear up and go. Yan na boys, everybody is taking off. So here is our Senator Bato is there and the team. So marami yan. Marami na mga riders natin kasama. Alam mo na lang ako kay Senator Bato. So dito mga idols natin. Sir, morning po, good morning. Our Senator is there. Sir, Sen, yan, enjoy tayo ride. Yan, sir, morning po, good morning. Morning po, good morning. Sige po. Yan, ito yung lineup guys. Puro sila dito. Marami na mga riders natin. Kasama natin si Jerwin Matibag, Kurt, and Sir Toti, si Makimoto, so si Alvin. Marami sila. So tayo gamit natin itong Indian motorcycle. Yan, so chill ride lang tayo. So as you can see behind, so Sir Toti is there. So let's roll. Yan, let's go. Let's go boys. Yan, marami ng tao dito. Yan, puno-puno na yung mga tao dito. Sobrang supportive talaga ng mga iban nila dito. Yes. Let's go. Jerwin. Yan, Kurt Matibag is there. Yan, Sir Toti and Ma'am Joy is there. Jerwin is there. Makimoto is there. Marami ng tao ng Inday sa kalsada. Maganda talaga ng Bohol guys. Check nyo, napanood kayo dati ng video ko dito. Naikot ako sa buong Bohol for a week. Then now we are riding again the whole loop for 2 days. Here is Senator JV with his Desert X. tao sa kalsada guys. Tingnan nyo ito, kaliwat kanan puno-puno na yung tao. Sobrang happy sila. Siyempre isip nyo, 2,000 riders going to their place, and wala nga bala. This is the daytime, and takbo mga 70, 80, maximum 100 na takbo. O tingnan nyo ito, puro na lugar dito, puno-puno na yung tao. Tingnan nyo, o, diba? Solid. This is called loop. Hindi yung mga grabe hataw-hataw mga ganyan. Dito 2,000 rider, all organized, everybody riding in same pace. Wala na mga patunayan dito. Solid. Oh, tingnan nyo ito, puno-puno na yung mga tao dito. Yes, sir. And here we are going around Senator JV. Oh, lupit. There's a tax lang sa Calab. Ito na tayo sa first place, Anda guys. Yan na, dito tayo sa Anda Beach guys. This is our first photo areas. Marami sila, almost 2,000. So kami na mga Access Plus team, we are just here, just roaming around, kain-kain, mga ganyan lang, pasyal-pasyal. Siyempre para enjoy din lahat. So yan, let's roll. Sir, team Access Plus, we join this loop to enjoy this beautiful, syempre maganda talaga ng Bohol. So we are just roaming around here with mga malupit na mga riders natin. So sa friend, the Racer Toti, Jerwin, si Kurt, na sila dito. So we are going to some other place. Kita nyo, sobrang happy talaga ng mga tao dito. Access Plus Iloilo boys are here on the front. Marami talaga ng tao sa labas kahit naiinit guys. Kita nyo ito? Ayun o, mga kaway-kaway lang. Happy na sila. Oh, si nanay oh. Ayun o. Hello. Happy sila talaga. Grabe. Sobrang solid talaga ng itong loop na yan, because you can see how people are so happy about this event. And everywhere you can see so many marshals, so many people are here in outside. Kahit na init-init pa, doon sa araw-araw pa, sa labas sila welcoming all the riders. Solid yung ride ito, wala masabi. Yan, kita nya guys, grabing solid talaga ng yung lineup na motor dito. Solid yung motor dito, puno-puno na oh. This is our second place. Ayan, marami sila. We are going to the third location. 2 location is finished. Kasama natin ang mga small bike, big bike. That is one of the good thing is here. Hindi katulad ng mga ibang endurance only big bikes. So dito wala talaga ng yung discrimination, kahit na small bike, kahit na big bike, sabay-sabay. Yan, dito na yung another stopover.
Bigyan mo nga rin ako.
O syempre. Dito tayo sa Trinidad. Na marami sila. Hala po. Hala po. Yan na boys, akyat ulit tayo sa Chocolate Hills. So I asked the permission from them and they allow us to go up. Only few of us, the Access Plus team. Yung iba hindi nila pumasok dito. So I went up, then I spoke to the management. They allow us, so we have a nice picture also from this beautiful Chocolate Hill. So you can see, diba? Sobrang ganda, no? Panis. Oh, nakita nyo dati pa video ko dito. Oh, yan. Ganda dito, no? Yan, Chocolate Hills, kita nyo sobrang solid dito. Ayan, kuya, basta. Oh, meron syempre, ikaw ba? Yan, ito yung Chocolate Hills guys, sobrang solid yan ito. Yan na boys, nakita nyo, grabe talaga na, sobrang solid talaga na dito sa Bohol. Grabe talaga na yung Chocolate Hills, no? Sobrang ganda. So ngayon, lahat kami dito, akit kami. Tapos syempre marami sila, hindi nila check yung kita yung ano, yung tong Chocolate Hill. So this is our time to see the places. So happy oh, kita nyo lahat ng buong dito sa lugar, yung hills yan, Chocolate Hills. So as you seen, viral talaga na yung ano, yung nagawa ng ano, isang resort. I was there few years ago and wala nang resort, yung Captain Peaks yata pangalan. So nagulat din ako, middle of the hills there is a you know, resort, swimming pool and all the stuff. So now we are going to the man-made forest. So Sir Toti and Ma'am Joy and all mga malipit na Jerwin, all of them are enjoying this Bohol Loop. We are just a team of Access Plus roaming around with our Ducatis and Indian motorcycle. So nice experience actually. Ayan na guys, dito tayo ulit sa man-made forest. Here is a man-made forest guys. O yun o, mga malupit dito oh. Pangalan mo brother? June. Anong page mo?
Kim Clement.
Kim Clement. So we are going to have some lunch somewhere. Yan na boys, good morning. This is our day 2 with mga malupit. O yan. Tanyo. So little lineup natin from Access Plus. Puno-puno na. Ano? Yan ang lineup. Yes. Tagbong bende lang for today. Yan na boys, we are the second day. We starting our Bohol loop from here as usual from this airport. Everybody started from wherever they are, but we just came to start from the grid again. So this is our second day. Dagdag tayo ng isa pang rider today, si John Smith from Club 200. So total na mga 10 na kami today. Punta tayo sa first stopover place here in the second day. Ano? And this is our first stop for the day. So dito sila lahat, on the way pala sila yan. So let's go. Ulan na tayo, kunting ambon-ambon, ulan-ulan. Feeling ko buong araw it's going to be rain. So let's see how it goes. Sana after some time walang ulan eh. Marami na mga lugar na kailangan namin ng punta. Yun ang mga tao din sa kalsada. Yun. Kahit na ulan, sa kalabas pa rin sila. Yan na. Ito guys, kawawa talaga yung ano, itong maliit na chicken. Bigla ng ano, nabangga. Pero we will pay them. Bigyan mo na lang sa papa mo yung maliit na chicken mo ng ano. Kunin mo na. Halika. Yan. Patay na. Bili ka na lang 10 ha. 10 chicken bili mo. Yan na boys, dito tayo sa Danau Adventure, one of our destination. Somewhere stop tayo somewhere and yun sa harap natin, that is Bundakan. Si Alvin Bundakan from Iloilo, and he is using his favorite Indian motorcycle from Access Plus. Nice bike guys. Actually I was using this one the yesterday loop. Sobrang solid, sobrang powerful, and sobrang smooth, and tipid pa. Sobrang ganda yung itong Indian motorcycle. If you want to check out the Indian motorcycle, you can just contact Access Plus. They always have available demo bikes all the time, so you can just contact them and they will schedule for you the test ride. Powerful talaga ng Indian motorcycle. Tingnan mo, solid. So you can contact them and they will arrange for you the motorcycle for your test ride. Sobrang solid, tapos hindi na mainit. Most of you know that some of the brand cruiser bikes are sobrang init, pero dito sobrang masarap. Ambing means ingat. Mga bata dami. Ayan na, another lugar na. Ayan. Yan, dito na tayo sa Ubay. Hala po, wait lang. Maraming tao sa labas. Puno-puno na yung kalsada guys. Sobrang happy talaga ng mga tao dito sa Bohol. Grabe. One of the best experience I had. Kahit na tingnan nyo, sobrang happy sila lahat dito. Yan na, another place tayo. Today is another checkpoint. Ayan.
sunod. Last.
Yan na, dito tayo. Kasama natin si our idol, oh. Oh, yun, oh. Yun, oh. Oh.
Lilipat na
Yan.
yun instead.
Ano meron tayo dito?
Nandito na.
Ano meron tayo dito? Ano meron tayo?
Madaanan natin.
Ano meron tayo dito?
Meron tayo ritong tarsier.
Oh.
Tarsier of the Philippines. One of the smallest monkey in the world.
And the biggest is here. Yan, hello.
Oh, malapit na.
Oh, yan na.
Sunod na yan. Pagtaas ng bakla.
So, this is our last checkpoint. So, see you later. May checkpoint pala dito. Yan. So, yan na guys, dito na. The last checkpoint yata dito. Marami ng tao dito, oh. Kita nyo. Puno. Yan na guys, we finish our ride successfully with our Access Plus team.